Hey, all right. Thanks for taking the time to check out the 48-hour cash machine. Listen, I know your time is valuable, and I promise you I don't intend to waste it, okay? So with that being said, here's exactly what the 48-hour cash machine is. It's a very simple system that I personally use to make a lot of money online, virtually anytime I want. A lot of money on demand. How cool is that, okay? And I have been fortunate, like I said, I have been fortunate enough over the last 3-4 years to crack this online success code and literally went from nobody to raking in a lot of money online. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it with this particular method called the 48-hour cash machine. It can be applied to any niche, so it works in any niche. And the most important and cool part is that it delivers very quick results. A lot of times when I apply this 48-hour cash machine, I start making money within 2 to 3 hours, okay? As soon as 2 to 3 hours. And so that's why I called it the 48-hour cash machine, because if you follow it exactly, if you follow the exact steps I outline here in these training videos, you too can duplicate, my results. It works for anybody. I don't care if you have experience or not, if you're a complete novice, if if you have a little bit of online experience, if you made money, if you have failed and everything else. If you just follow my steps exactly to the T, you can duplicate my results, and you can start making money within 48 hours of applying this. Okay, so here's what I want you to do. I want you to do yourself a favor. Turn off all the distractions. Lock the door, turn off your cell phone, your email, your instant messages. Pay very, very close attention, because this stuff is important. The time you're going to invest in yourself right now will pay off in a big way. Okay, so just lock yourself in the room and go through these trainings, and most importantly, please apply the information. Okay, follow every step that I outline here exactly as I outline it, and then do exactly as I say. Okay, don't try to deviate from it in any way. And you can, like I said, that's to ensure that you get results. And my goal here is to really help out the community, to help out people like yourself. If you've been struggling with trying to make money online, I really want to do something to help out the community. So I'm going to do my best to explain this to you in very simple terms. I will assume that you don't have a lot of experience online. Okay, like I told you in the first video there, you don't have to have a list, so you don't have to have autoresponders. It's going to be really, really simple. Okay, this is the simplest system ever. Am I saying that you don't need to build your list? No way. Okay, but for this particular method, I'm going to show you how you can start making money with no list, with no autoresponder. And I'm just going to assume that you're just a complete novice in this thing, and just follow me on this. Okay. So the first video we're going to start is going to be the quick setup. In that video, step number 1 is I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your payment accounts, okay, so you can get paid. Very important indeed. Step number 2, we're going to talk about picking a product. Like I told you, you don't have to have a product of your own, but I'm going to show you how you can pick a hot product that you can promote, a product that people already looking for, that you can promote, okay, and therefore make a lot of money quickly. And then step number 3 is I'm going to show you how to just simply cash in. Okay, this is, press a few buttons on your computer and boom, 48 hours later, you're making some money. Okay, now probably the best tool or the best training I can give you is I'm going to reveal to you my secret ninja tool that I personally use. Remember I told you I work about 4 hours a week, okay, to make a lot of money? Well, guess what? I'm going to show you for this particular method, I'm going to show you my super ninja tool that I use personally that saves me a ton of time. I'm talking about hours and hours and hours on a daily basis, okay? That saves me a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of frustrations. It's really, really cool. I'm going to reveal to you in the last video, okay? So with that being said, let's get started.